welcome to Sparkle Events. I'm here with Nova.
And I'm here with Dad, is Daniel.
That's right, my name is Daniel, and we are here to make some bath bombs. So here we go. You're gonna need baking soda, 2 cups of baking soda. We already have that in the bowl. That's how you want to get it started. The next step will be a cup of citric acid, which we have here. Citric acid. Nova, you want to be our dumper?
Yes, and the mixer.
And mixer. Here we go, nice and slowly. Beautiful. And our next step is going to be a cup of cornstarch. Here we have that right here. Cornstarch. Nova. Awesome.
Let's put our goggles on.
I almost forgot, we should have our goggles on. Safety first. Especially when making bath bombs.
For it not getting stuff in the eyes.
Alright, so the next step is going to be Epsom salts. Very nice for relaxing in the bathtub. Here you are. Good for soreness and bruises. Thank you. Now it's time to whisk. Alright, dry ingredients are done. Now it's time to prepare our wet ingredient bowl.
It's easy for me to stand up.
2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, Nova, go ahead and be my dumper.
There you go.
Very nice.
It's kind of like a liquid.
Yeah, it is kind of like liquid.
I dip the rest out.
And we're going to do 1 more tablespoon of that.
And it sounds like glue too.
Yeah. We'll say olive oil is real good for the skin. And for cooking. Awesome. Olive oil, check.
Here you go.
Thank you. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of essential oil.
Sure.
Okay, here's our essential oil. We're going to be using sweet orange. Thank you. And then it also takes 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to do this first, and then you can pour it in for me.
Let me put my sleeves
You want to
on.
make your measurements as precise as possible, much like baking. 1.
How many are you supposed to do again?
2.
Oh yes, 2. This is the last one.
Alright, go for it. Alright. Essential oil, check. Water, check. Olive oil, check. Now we're going to do a little mixy on that. Alright, our wet solution is ready to go, and now we have to slowly put it into the baking soda in whisk and try not to activate it. Now we're ready to put them in our molds. Here's our molds right here, 2 little simple guys, and I guess we're just gonna scoop them in there and pack it in with our hands. Alright, our bath bombs are dried, and we have taken some apart. Some survived, some did not. Here we go. Let's see what happened. We got to do it very carefully. And there we are. Bath bomb. Be fragile with them at first. They could still crumble after you take them out of their casing. So, and then let them sit probably at least until overnight. Okay, so far this one's going good. Let's see. Some say that if you leave them in for too long, they stay inside their little casing. But This guy came out pretty nice. We're all very excited that these worked out. Thank you for joining Sparkle Events, and hope to see you for our next project. Bye.